Thank you very much. Mr. Vistisen, you're next.
Brussels have become a swamp where unelected bureaucrats are going to utilize their vision of a European federalized superstate. And we have to stop that. That's why our campaign promise today is that we will begin by firing 10,000 bureaucrats in Brussels. And I would like to start with you, Ursula von der Leyen. Your Commission presidency has been a disaster. On your watch, millions of illegal migrants have entered into our continent. On your watch, you have been at the focus point of the Pfizer scandal under investigation by the European Public Prosecutor's Office, and not a single European is eligible to vote for you when you took office the first time, nor this time. This is not worthy of a European democracy, and therefore, if it's for us in the Identity and Democracy Group to decide, you will be the first one fired after the elections.